everyone, it's Sarah from Nova Scotia. Welcome back to Colorful Creations. I'm doing a puddle pour today and then gonna wreck it with a fork. I'm working on a 12 by 16 inch art panel and I have it sitting on a spinner. These fit on perfectly. This is an 11-inch spinner from Amazon and I get this from Dollarama for $4. So I'm just gonna sit this on here. I'm gonna do some puddles in the center and then wreck it with my fork and spin it out. And hopefully it makes something super nice. I'm gonna work with, I have purple from Montmart, light lavender from Artist Loft, and I have metallic green from Sargent Art. I have metallic black from Artist Loft, and I have silver from Montmart, and then I added black into it to make 2 extra shades. And then I also have white from Montmart. They're mixed how I always mix them. There's a link to a video in my description if you want to watch that. My recipe's all there and everything. All right, so let's get started with this. This is a wooden art panel and it's primed with gesso already, with white gesso. It doesn't really matter what color. I have a video in my description as well if you want to see how to prime these. I'll just show you a couple puddles here and then I'll speed it up. This is so cool. It's so pretty. This is so pretty. I love this. All the colors are showing just like I wanted them to. And here it is dry. I don't have any resin on this yet. Maybe another week or 2. I want it to cure really well first. It will really bring it to life, but this looks really good how it is. All the metallics are shimmering. It just looks so abstracted. I don't know, it just draws me into it. Let me know in the comments what you think. And this will be for sale and available on my website. You can check out the link below. This was so fun to do. I just can't wait to see it with resin. So let me know what you think, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.